Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study SAT grammar. Begin by thoroughly understanding the structure of the SAT writing and language section. This includes knowing the question types and time limits. Next, focus on mastering the core grammar rules frequently appearing on the test. Finally, actively practice identifying and correcting errors in various sentence constructions and punctuation usages. Consistent effort in these areas will significantly improve your score. To truly excel, dedicate time to mastering fundamental grammar concepts. Ensure you understand subject, verb, and pronoun agreement, as these are common pitfalls. Study parallel structure and how to correct misplaced or dangling modifiers for clearer sentences. Also, become proficient in using punctuation marks like commas, semicolons, and colons correctly. These rules form the backbone of effective writing and are heavily tested.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more study tips. Quick recommendation: staying fueled during long study sessions is crucial. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Beyond the basics, refine your understanding of punctuation and writing style. Practice using apostrophes accurately for both possession and contractions. Learn to distinguish between independent and dependent clauses, which is crucial for complex sentence construction. Furthermore, work on making your writing concise and impactful by eliminating unnecessary words and phrases. This will help you choose the best answer options on the test. Consistent practice is key to improving your SAT grammar score. Regularly complete official SAT practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam. After each test, meticulously review every incorrect answer to understand why you made the mistake. Consider creating a dedicated error log to track recurring grammar issues. This targeted approach helps you focus on your weakest areas and see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.